Welcome to Tokyo, one of the most vibrant and enigmatic cities in the world. The historic district of Asakusa is often the first glimpse of Japanese culture visitors from around the world experience. As you pass under the Thunder Gate, you are immediately immersed in a spectacular crowd of revelers who wind their way through a bustling stretch of souvenir and food stalls as they make their way towards Senso-ji. In this video, join us for a quick day trip from Senso-ji to Ameyoko Market as we sample the unique flavors of Tokyo's quintessential historic district.
Come on, let's go for the good fortune. Okay, is it the... Ooh.
Good fortune.
Good fortune, he needs it! Yay! Take it with you!
I need as much of it as I can get, for sure. Which one do you want? Grilled?
Yeah, what's that? That's kind of cool.
Grilled octopus?
Yeah,
Grilled baby octopus?
Okay, gotta get this one.
It's good.
So this is the tongue. It definitely has a little gamey smell. Salty.
What do you have there?
It's a big, giant, crushed octopus.
You ain't kidding. Look at that thing.
It's pretty cool. Like a big cracker. It's a gigantic line to
Get two.
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 And a policeman who's controlling
Get two. Say futatsu.
Fuda.
Futatsu.
I'm not sure what it is. It better be them.
Whatever. Futatsu.
It's a line for
Say
it.
futatsu kudasai.
Fuda.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
No, I'm all like a little bit of a mess, but we got it.
These are the famous fried hockey pucks.
That's a good one.
Asakusa. Masha fearlessly got them from line.
A long line.
Oh man,
Those are good ones.
it's pork. It's sweet. It's crispy. It has all those things that you can't get enough of. Truly addictive. A little heavy on the onion for me.
I think oil a
The
little.
sweetness of it is
good.
really something else. I would eat this again. But
Yeah.
if you eat one of these, you're pretty much finished for
And for a while.
about 15 minutes. So we're going to keep going. We have a lot more to eat today as we explore Asakusa. It is late afternoon here at the Ameyoko Market. We are close to Ueno Park. Just hopped off the train. And we are going to go exploring in this wild, wacky market area. Hope you're ready for this because it is freaking crowded. Looks good.
500, right? Oh!
Congratulations.
That is so good.
Now we got to carry
Oh,
around.
go on.
We got to carry around all your fish.
I'm gonna put it in your backpack.
Yeah.
Yes. Here's a cup.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Look, they got your favorite eggs
Oh
too.
my god. But you see?
Has to be refrigerated though. Refrigerated. Ikura. Uni, yeah?
Uni.
You got it all. Oh yeah. Roast duck. Tiger prawns. Got seaweed, sake. They got the good stuff. Delicious.
How good? Why did you add fries on them? How come you didn't eat any?
Arigatou gozaimasu. We got ourselves a Jim Beam highball here in the streets. Ameyoko. Kampai.
Extra strong.
Now we're talking. That's. Hold on a second. This is freaking awesome. What's up, man? That is whale meat. Hi. Honey. Nice. I don't support this, but I couldn't help myself. It's been 16 years since I had this. A little bit of whale sashimi. You know what? Forgive me. I feel guilty as shit eating this though. Gotta do what you gotta do. So the market definitely has a completely different vibe. Right around 7 o'clock, 7:30, it starts to thin out a little bit. We caught it right during the rush when everybody was passing through from Ueno Station. And we've had some incredible food so far. Do I feel a little guilty about the whale sashimi? Yes.
We do.
Have I had it before? Yes. Does it taste like really prime beef with like a nice salty edge?
Jamie.
Yes. I don't support doing that. But there are a few places in the world where you are really going to have an opportunity to try something like that. And I think it's important to understand whether you support it, whether you oppose it, know what it is before you go crazy. Yep.
電車とホームの間に木を巻いて
This is sugar cool.
Aha.
I'm gonna eat one.
Yummy. I really couldn't tell you where we are. Somewhere on Hoppy Street. The food is great and the drinks are cold. And we're going to make the most of it. That's what you have to do when you visit Japan. You got to go with it. Wander around, experiment. Sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose. But for the most part, the food is amazing and the people are friendly as long as you're respectful, which is super important. We got some fried shrimp and some fried octopus before we go to the real bar. Octopus bites. It's delicious. Very good. This is Orange Bar near Hoppy Street. We just did a little izakaya action. It was delicious. And now we're here to get a cocktail.
Real wine.
This is a real rock star bar. Got some instruments. We got some alcohol. I got a bottle of Zacapa 23 up there.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
So sweet.
Got that Chuhai action. Who orders red wine in Japan? Shit's weird. Let's go.
Next to Russian. Russians will eat it too.
Good job, man.
I want to take a picture of it too.